How to apply for student finance in Nigeria. Step-by-step guide. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for student finance in Nigeria. 1. Visit the Student Finance website. Go to the official website of Student Finance Nigeria. Example, Nigeria Education Trust Fund or any relevant platform. Ensure you are on the correct site to avoid scams or misinformation. Number 2. Create an account. On the homepage, locate the Sign Up or Register button. Enter your basic personal details such as full name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password and verify your account by checking your email inbox for a confirmation link. 3. Complete your profile. After logging in, you will need to fill out a detailed profile. Provide academic details, your current institution, course of study, and year of study. Provide personal details, your date of birth, home address, and nationality. 4. Choose the type of funding. Check the available funding options. Student finance might include loans for tuition or living costs, grants or scholarships if available. Select the option that fits your financial need. 5. Submit required documents. You will need to upload necessary documents such as a copy of your admission letter from your institution, your student ID card or proof of enrollment, your birth certificate or national ID, recent passport photographs, academic records or transcripts if required, your bank account details for disbursement. 6. Fill the application form. Carefully complete the online application form. Provide accurate and truthful information. This includes your family financial background for need-based loans or grants. And before we proceed, in order for your loan to be granted, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 7. Review and submit the application. Double-check all the information you have entered. Ensure that all required fields are filled and documents are properly uploaded. Once satisfied, submit your application. 8. Application confirmation. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation message and an application ID via email or SMS. Keep this information safe for future reference. 9. Monitor your application status. Log back into your account regularly to check the status of your application. If necessary, respond to any additional requests for documentation or information. 10. Await notification of approval. If approved, you will receive a notification with details on how and when the funds will be disbursed. If rejected, you may be given reasons and the possibility to appeal or reapply. 11. Receive your funds. Once approved, the funds will be disbursed directly into your bank account or to your institution, depending on the type of finance. Pro tips: apply early to avoid delays in receiving your funds. Ensure all your documents are clear and properly scanned. Stay updated by visiting the official website and checking for announcements or changes to the process. And there you have it, future scholars. You've just unlocked steps to securing your student finance and bringing your educational dreams closer to reality. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step. And by taking this step, you are investing in a brighter, limitless future. Believe in yourself and trust the process, because magic happens when preparation meets opportunity. This guide helped you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Together, we rise. Quote of the day: education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Nelson Mandela. Keep shining, keep thriving, and remember, your future is full of possibilities.